Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the club kit for Club La La Land Crafts, and this is for the June 2020 club kit, and I'm going to do an unboxing and then a little project share. I'll show you some cards that I made and also your subscriber only project, and I'll show you where to find that inside the kit. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it up here, and as you guys know, we get our kits early so that we can make some inspiration projects for you. So I've already played with all of this, so it's nothing new to me, but boy, are you guys going to be excited. So you're always going to get your dies, and your stamps are going to come inside here, and they come on this little plastic piece right here. You just peel off the backing and you can attach it to this, not plastic, what is this? So it's kind of like a glossy coated cardstock, real thick cardstock, and so your red rubber stamps will stick right to it, and then you can just shove it right back in the kit, and that's how you can store them if you like. On the back it's just a little thank you card. Also inside your kit, I feel like I'm out of breath already. It's only been a minute. Inside your kit is going to be this little, it's a like infographic, shows you all of the stamps that are in. Look at how adorable they are. They are so cute. Look at the little piggies. They're so adorable. I made like 4 cards and it was so fast and I loved every second of it. They were so stinking cute. Look at these dies. These dies are amazing. That sandcastle, wait till you see all of what the design team did with these sandcastles. They're gorgeous. I love it. And then the pail, and then you got this little ball, and it's in 2 parts. I'll show you in a minute. But anyway, right here is everything that comes in your kit. So it's all the names of everything, just to make sure that everything that you're supposed to get is in there. It's also right here is where you're going to find your subscriber projects. So you'll go to this little link right here and it'll take you to all of the design team projects that we did just for the subscribers. Mine happens to be a video. Of the last few I've done are videos because it's just, I think it's just easier for me to explain what I'm doing in a video than it is for me to write it out in, PDF form. So that's why I do videos. But here's where the links are to all of that. And then here it's where like the blog about the fan group, all that good stuff, and then where to find to sign up for your kits. So this is what's in there, and I'm going to go ahead and show you inside. So you're going to get 2. I have to do this a certain way. We don't want anybody stealing nothing, huh? Okay. So your stamps are going to come like this. These are your red rubber stamps. They are gorgeous. And they perfect when you stamp them out. They always look beautiful no matter what. Tons of sentiments on here, and they're right here if you want to read them, and so you can see them. But anyway, here are your stamps. I'm going to flip them over like that. And then for your dies this month, so I store, just in case you're curious, I store all of my kit together. So this will go back inside of this packaging, and everything will go together with the infographic sticking up, so that when I want to go back and use my kits, everything is right there and I can just flip through and find the kit that I want. So I keep all of this packaging and I just stick it all inside the one envelope. So you've got your sandcastle, super adorable. This beach ball comes in 2 pieces, so you have your base, and then this one will cut out all those little pieces that you can put around it, and I'll show you on my cards what I did with it. And then you've got your pail, which this slit is open, so you can shove the pail, the shovel inside of that slit right there, and then you've got your handle. So you can have the handle either up or down, whichever you want. So there's that. And now I will show you the cards that I did. So first off, I did 2 with the sand castles because I made the sand. It was so fun to make all the sand and stuff. And this sand, how I made it is actually in the subscriber tutorial. Super easy though. So I've got our sand. I've got all of these little elements here. Look at this castle. Isn't he adorable? And then I've got my little piggy here. And he's playing with a little miniature sand castle with a great big giant one behind him. Got some sun in there. It's all... And this is just on a regular size card base. Here's the little girl with the beach ball, and the paper that I used for this is a summer paper. I'll have it all linked on the blog if you're curious what everything I used to make these cards. Super perfect paper, perfect colors, perfect paper for this type of a seam. Here we've got our this one. I put the shovel in the sand, so I cut a little slit in the sand. I can't say that, it's like a tongue twister for me. We got our ball, and I used the pattern paper to create the little inserts that go inside the ball. And then we've got our little girl here with her. She's ready to go diving. That's card number 2. Card number 3 is, look at little piggy. He's lounging, so cute. Got the ball again. Here's the the shovel inside the pail this time, and the pail, and I've got some sand in it like I usually do. Life is at ease with an ocean breeze, and he's just sitting in his little chair here on the beach. And then the last card is another sandcastle card with the same little piggy right here, but this one I wanted to use different sentiments for each one and different color combinations just because I have people I want to send these to, so I needed 4, and I love that sandcastle. This one I've got a little bit lower, and this one I've got it up a little bit higher, so just a little bit different, but basically made the same. And then for the subscriber project, so I apologize because the pictures are going to look different than how it looks here, but I made a little beach bag. And this is basically just a gift bag that you can give to somebody, whether they're going on vacation or if it's just like a fun little summer bag to give to your teenager, whichever thing that you want to use it for. It's really, really easy. You don't need a cutting machine. All you need is some paper and scissors and your pattern paper and your kit. So very, very easy tutorial to do this little bag right here. It's just held together on the sides with some straps. Use a little bit of tissue paper and then stuff it with whatever you want. But my daughter already ransacked my my little stuff that I had in here because, you know, she thought I was done. I'd already taken the pictures, and so she came in and took all of the, like, the snacks, and there was some chapstick, and there was some sunscreen, and there was body spray, all kinds of stuff that was in here that was super cute. But she took it, so I tried to put as much stuff back into it as I could find because she's already eaten the snacks. So, but this was as good as it was gonna get. But I created this little tag using the girl, nice little patterns on her. There's a beach blanket that comes with your stamp set with Marci, and it's blank, so you can do whatever you want on here. So you put flowers on it, put nothing on it. You can do all kinds of tie-dye, do all kinds of stuff with this really cool blanket. It's a separate piece, so you can just cut that out, and then she can set Marci right on top of it. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys are as excited as we were to get this kit. Very excited to see what you guys do with it. I hope you like this tutorial. Like I said, super simple, no special machinery needed, nothing exciting like that. It's very easy to do. You'll be surprised how easy it is, and it comes out looking super cute. That's what it looks like. So I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by, spending a little bit of time with me, checking out this kit. Absolutely love it. Totally in love. Can't wait to see what you do, and I will talk to you again real, real soon. Bye-bye.